welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about Marcia. Well, he's answering to Marcia's live that was done, where she was saying that he allowed his followers to basically um, disrespect her, basically. And he's now saying that he has always told his people on this platform that they're free to talk whatever they want to talk, and it's not going to change because that's the way it's going. It has been, and that's the way it's going to be. He's saying that he's not selective of who he tells them that they are able to talk freely of. He said he does this for Miss D. He does this for Lorraine. He does this for everybody that he plays on his platform, so it's not going to change. Um, and he was saying this while allegedly he said that, Marcia was on his page. So Marcia would have gotten that information right there and then to say that, okay, it's not going to change. This is how my platform is, and it's not going to change. So Dwayne is saying that, basically that's what he does. And he is not thin skinned, he said. He said that he's thick skinned. And whenever somebody has something to say about him, basically, if it does hurt, what he will do is to, tell them about themselves. But, he's not going to sit and dwell in it because basically they don't know him. But he's saying that they can't bully him either, so they will say what they have to say and he will answer. But apart from that, that's how his platform is, and he's not changing it to please anyone. He's doing what he wants to do on his platform, you know. So, guys, go and catch the video and see what Dwayne has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day now.
Them don't want like, them don't want share. Then what's why I don't want come? So why not come for the squad man? Don't come. Don't blood clot come. Dog shits. I'm torn. Not a shame. I have some shame. I have look a shame. And I come over here. The Costa keep it real. Like some like so. That some like so now pull up. Same so. Same so. Show them some I have good girls over here who actually like me. And that I want soon in the comments. I want myself. I'll be able to pull up and be like, when I pull up, I don't pull up, man, don't pull up. Come we start call out to the name and loud the up. We start call out on the name and loud on the up. So don't pull up. You understand? Not pull up. Not pull up. I've look a shame. Look a class. And now I'm not in the mood to do no life. Cause my energy it just change. You get me? It just change. Because them people here, them come on page every day, Shania. Every day them come over here. Every day that God loves. I can be able to get 100 likes to backside. What do I come for? What are they coming for? What am I coming for, girl? What are they coming for? I don't know. I don't know what to come for. I swear to God, I don't know. Only God alone I want to come over here for. On God alone I want to come over here for, actually. Only good Lord above knows what I come over here for. I had to put on my damn hoodie cold. Cha. Now, me not gonna load them up, sir. If them go and bother rich me, I will loud them up. I don't know. It's me load up carrying calls up to them. I load up in box and when she come over here for she them don't like me. Them don't like me. When do I come over? Don't come, man. Don't come. Now come over here. Come I start calling to the names. So the boss knows no over here. I start calling to the names. And what's where if me know one which page on a circle pan, me I call out on the name. Like that Karen Kozak today. Don't play with me. Don't play. I can play very rough. Very, very rough. I'm torn up. Oh yeah, but before we go any further, Curly, back to you, Curly, back to you. Curly, somebody tell me, say, you do life for me, right? So I'm going to come here to life myself. And you know, me realize with the Curly, me feel like, say, you know, me feel like, say, I'm damned if I do and I'm damned if I don't with you. Right? Like, everything I do on my page when it comes to you, you have an issue or you wanna cause some kind of rift. Girl, I'm not here for no rift with nobody. Understand? I'm not rift with nobody. I always tell people so them can talk freely. Always. Not all if I know about you. Them gonna chat freely. Understand? So whoever called and said, oh, me, I tell people to chat freely. Okay, and what? You're not gonna beat me? You're not gonna beat me? Next time, you want me, I'll go to the belt. Me, I'll go to one belt. I want two before. I'm doing that for you. Because clearly, my page people, them, I like them can't talk. And then I tell them to go on the page to mix up. And then oh, she over here. So yeah, back to what I'm saying. Whoever call you, and them probably calling now too. I tell you something over here, I talk. Okay, cool. Whoever told you, say, me over here, I tell you to chat freely, openly, transparent. I've always done that. And nothing never change. Nothing never change. I tell people, if they're not nice to say, not say nothing. But if people are this people, they know these people, I know enough that your people that diss me. And do I take it to heart? No, come in not care. Me not busy. Anybody want this way, I just saw. Cause guess what? None of these people is putting on my pot. Them not feel me, them not club, not shelter. So who the backside is these people that want to come chat about me? Who is any of you if you don't want to chat about me? Care? No. I will send on no mama and a papa if you want if it want me that much, or no go back on the mama and a papa go get recreated. Understand? Me, I don't take nothing to heart. Nothing to heart. So, Curly, whoever that supporter is, tell that supporter, say, but suck out her thinking my or papa. Whoever, if it's a man or a woman, tell them to stop remixing for me. Because let's be real, I've always told people, them can chat freely about anybody. Them cannot bully me, girl. Them cannot bully me. They cannot bully me. That is what them can't anger me. I've always told people, when me I tell them to chat freely about Dana, Laurie, and whoever, right? Like, am I choosing sides? No. I tell them to talk on the mind. And I just saw chat on the mind, same soul. Because when people, when freedom followers that diss me, am I complaining? No. I am not thin-skinned. What call my ass for now? No call my phone. Me not chat to. Come off my phone. No call my phone. No call my phone. I move to chat to them. No call my phone. It's like everything I do on my page is a damn issue with everybody. Why just don't leave me? Just leave me alone, man. Just leave me the blood clot alone. I'm tired down. Oh no, don't like me already. So it's nothing. Nothing's gonna happen if someone don't like me. I just suck. Just don't like me. I mean, nobody like me. I don't want no one to like me. None of you. Understand? Leave me alone. Stop the mix up. I'm gonna tap chat button. I just suck. It's not rocket science. It is not rocket science. I'm feel like some more time when they provoke me, when they content to provoke me, I'm start act irrational now. It's an issue, right? It makes me look like the bad person, right? Okay. Listen, just tell the followers them, don't watch me. Tell the followers them to hate me, hate the ground I walk on, and I'll be fine. All sides. This goes for all sides. The planks, the roys, all of you. No, don't like me. No, I don't want none to like me. No, don't like me. No like me. Make me look at people them like me already. Me have a few look at people who like me. Make them like me. I like me extra this. I'm a mix-up self. I them feel like me. Not the rest of you. The fuck. Anyways, Curly, it's not that serious. It's not that serious. It is not that serious. And stop taking things so personal. It is not that serious. I always tell people for be free. Absolutely, yes. That won't change. Some of them, you know, so them don't like you. Enough of them don't like me too. Am I eating myself? No. I don't care. Me not caretaker. Me not business. And me and you, we are not going on that road again. We are not. We're not. So whoever that follow is to tell it what to call and tell us about the look of nonsense, tell her follow me say, for go suck a cock and choke. And that's he or she to go and do. go and suck a cock and choke, because that bitch is a mix-up fucking bitch who's trying to cause a rift between me and you. And that's not going to happen. That two woman are man hear me, it never happen. So if Curly want to go up and got cussed after that is on her. I don't give one more. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Understand? I care zero. Thank you, Jelly. Thank you, Jelly. That's what matters. Now for them, a lot of them on my live right now, they don't like me. They only come over to come look in my damn face. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. I'm torn. On the face of me, I'm pussy though. On the must face me, I swear to God, on the face of me, I'm pussy. I swear to God, not for you fucking skanks. Face me, I'm pussy though. Don't judge that. Do not judge the dog shit in me, because I will start dogging out people left, right, and center. I'm not afraid of no girl or boy, and it's no girl, no boy. I'm not afraid of none. Oh no. Check on the 7th phone and wreck that pussy clot and leave me alone. Let me prosper in peace and stop trying to come put me in bullshit. I don't like it. I don't like it. Yes, I have a mix-up page. That I will always have a mix-up page. Leave me out of an fuckery and doing a thing. And that's it. Everyone will be good. You understand? Leave you out of the shit and everyone will be good. Everyone will be good. As long as I'm not dissing any of you, what's the real issue? Does any of you see me over here dissing Donegal? Does any of you see me over here dissing Lorraine or any of them unwarranted? No, because I don't operate like that. You have to trouble me to a degree where I don't like, and I will done you. I saw me work. But sometimes I can see and hear and don't hear. Understand? Like that man one yesterday. That one wants my attention. That one will never get my attention because that one want clout. Understand? Just avoid me. All of you just avoid me. Let me stay up on my little island by myself and have fun. Understand? Leave me by myself. Let me have fun. I'm not troubling nobody. Dude, does any of you see me on here warring with anyone? Or coming out here everything cussing with anyone? No. Because I don't operate like that. But yes, so you fuckers, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. The only thing I don't like about Curly, she's right. And that's what bothers me, I'm sure. I don't know who called her yesterday. I could talk something over here. I tell people to talk freely. Okay, I'm telling her every day to talk freely. Every day. No matter who I'm talking about. To chat freely. Dog. Talk the truth, people. Talk the truth. I'm telling her every day to talk freely. Without hinges. I'm telling her every day about whoever we chat about. But that follower clearly had a vendetta. That follower had a vendetta against me and want to cause some rift between me and Curly. So Curly, you know what I mean? And that pissed me off. One to move, man. Leave me alone. And don't draw my long tongue. Do not draw my long tongue. Because I'm going to get stink. And I don't want to get stink. Anyways, Curly, just wants to, it's all love over here, yeah? It's all love. Even if you want to be a pig and never yourself, that is on you. I am not going to argue with you. And me and you will not go back down that road again. You know when you respect people, you try to hold that level of respect for them and don't allow anything to get in the way of that. You understand? And that's my try for respect. I try for respect everybody, pioneer. I swear to God. Don't believe me. I try to respect everyone until them cross me. More get nasty. I try. And try is all I can do is try. And if one cannot see that, then just fuck off and leave me alone. Understand? If one cannot see that I try every day to respect everyone, fuck off and leave me alone. Me nah run on the door. Cause let's be nothing on the door come up. When I come over here, on the door interact, on the door like, on the door show, on the sit down there and cock on the big stinking ears and listen to mix up and go about to the business. You understand? So I lose nothing. What may I lose? Nothing. The most man lose a few like followers. Unless I don't have no damn business. Me not gonna lose. Nothing I've got losing. I got nothing to lose. But followers. And couple views. I may not care about that neither. You see a lot of people don't like peace. When I don't like peace. When I always want to drive me on the fuckery. Not because I'm over doing like a mix-up. Why when not drive the people on the fuckery? Why I'm not doing it to other people? Why don't want to do it to me? Why me? Why not other people? I'm yellow on the mix-up on ya. I'm yellow on the live stream on ya. I look at views, I don't know. Take the views and take the blood clot views. And I take it and fuck off. Take all of the views and fuck off. Take it. No disrespect, Dwayne. How can you play her videos and sit there and watch your followers call her so Orlando when people isn't people over here dissing Donegal too or dissing Lorraine or whatever call out? Girl, move it. You're biased. Girl, you are biased. So where you want me to block them? Me not block nobody. I'm not blocking nobody. Me not block nobody. I can encourage them. I can encourage them to not be so harsh. Listen, let me tell you this, you're damned if you do, and you're damned if you don't. So guess what? I'm gonna just please me, and that's it. Me not care about me not care about nobody's feelings. Who want to go up on them page and diss me, and make them follow diss me, just doing the thing. Me not care. I don't care. Right? From this day moving forward, whoever want to go up on them page and diss me, and then followers diss me, just diss me. I saw. If me want to respond, me respond. Me don't want to respond, or I can go down them up on themselves. Just go and eat up on themselves. It's fine. I am not mad. I won't be mad. I am good over your son. Alright? So there we have it. Nonetheless, Curly, big up yourself. I like look a mix up. I do. Go and look a mix up. Just cut and go through. And I know that I live here. You go pay your and go yourself. Just girl, just do your thing. I won't feel no way about anything. We're not gonna feel no way. Just do your thing. Anything you want to just do. Understand? Same so. Anyways, let's make a chat with look a mix up here. So ANY1 and Curly they run out the backside. We chat everybody over here. Right? Right? Some of these people them is too thin skin. That is them problem. Let me show you. Is this the only page who says harsh things about anyone? There's other page that says harsh things about other people too, right? Why isn't there an uproar about those pages? Why me? Wanna leave me alone. Wanna leave me alone. And if the thin skin do not come to my page. Because I'm telling you, I get this too. I get this a lot. But do I care? No. I don't care. It's not that serious. Anyways, ANY1 and Curly run out. I could just go another one there.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.